Hi, I'm Mac.
And I'm PC.
Now, what happened to you?
Christmas happened. You know how it is, all the expectations around Christmas and all the people you have to buy for. You simply spend more than you should have. I have no idea how I'm gonna pay for all these credit card bills. I'm simply crying myself to sleep mode.
Wow, PC, I'm really sorry to hear about that.
Yeah, I bet the next thing you're gonna tell me is that because of some study you did in your life group, you have no Christmas bills.
No. PC, actually, Tracy and I, we also spent more than we wanted to, and that's why we're gonna attend the Money Map Live event on January 26th.
What?
Yeah. The church, they set up this event so that we wouldn't continue to fall into this trap. And then on top of that, after the event, my life group, we're actually starting an 8-week study on how to handle our finances God's way. I mean, if you're interested, we'd love to have you.
I don't think I'd be interested in the group, but I'd love more information about that event.